Want to break bad habits for good? Here's the science-backed method. Want to break bad habits for good and actually build the healthy ones that stick? Here's the science-backed method that works. No willpower hacks, no unrealistic routines, just real results. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Health Guru, your go-to space for sustainable health, mindset shifts, and science-based wellness. If you've ever started a healthy habit only to fall off a week later, you're not alone. But today, I'm going to walk you through a proven step-by-step method to build better habits that last. Stick around to the end because I'll also share the #1 habit most people get wrong and how to fix it. Why most habits fail? Let's be real. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because their system is broken. We try to change too much at once. We rely on motivation, which fades. And we don't create the right environment for success. But research in behavioral psychology shows us a better way. Step 1, make it tiny. Big goals are exciting, but small actions are sustainable. Want to start working out? Don't start with an hour at the gym. Start with 5 push-ups or a 2-minute walk. Consistency over intensity. Step 2, anchor it to something you already do. Examples: after I brush my teeth, I'll do 30 seconds of deep breathing. After I make my coffee, I'll write down 1 goal for the day. This technique is called habit stacking, and it works. Step 3, focus on identity, not just outcomes. Instead of saying, I want to lose weight, say, I'm becoming the kind of person who takes care of their body. When your habits align with your identity, they last. Every small win is a vote for the person you want to become. Step 4, design your environment for success. Want to read more? Put a book on your pillow. Want to eat healthier? Keep fresh fruit in plain sight. Want to stop doom scrolling? Charge your phone in another room. Step 5, track progress and celebrate small wins. Your brain loves reward. Even checking off a tiny habit gives your mind a dopamine boost, reinforcing the behavior. What most people get wrong: they wait until they feel ready. Here's the truth. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Start tiny. Start now. So what's one small habit you're starting this week? Drop it in the comments and I'll cheer you on. If you found this helpful, give it a like. Share it with someone who's stuck in a cycle of false starts. Subscribe for more tools to transform your health, one small shift at a time. Want to go deeper? Check out my next video, Morning Habits That Set Up a Healthier Day, linked right here. Remember, your habits are the foundation of your future. Build them with intention. I'm Health Guru, and I'll see you next time.